friends, welcome to Madhus Cooking Studio and Vlogs. Today I am going to make Wheat Paal Kozhukattai for Ganesha Chathurthi. Let's move on to the video. Now the ingredients which I am adding to this wheat flour Paal Kozhukattai. Wheat flour 1 cup. Any type of cup you can measure, and the same cup should be measured for all the other ingredients. Now I am taking 1.5 cup of jaggery, 1.5 cup of ordinary milk and 1.5 cup of coconut milk. Then I have taken a little bit of cardamom powder and I have powdered it. So just fry all these cashew nuts and almonds, and just for a presentation I have kept this with ghee. Ghee, it is 1 tablespoon. Now I am heating the pan and I am adding this wheat flour into the pan. Just fry this for a little bit of time and it should get a good aroma. Keep the gas stove in sim so that this flour doesn't get burnt. Now the flour is ready. Adding jaggery to the pan. Now we are making a jaggery syrup. Just add a little bit of water to the jaggery. The jaggery syrup is ready. Now I am just filtering this syrup because it will have some sort of mud and stones. So just filter it with a filter. Adding 1 measure of water to the pan. Bring it to boil. Add the wheat flour slowly, little by little, and I am making it a dough. Now the dough is ready, soft and smooth, and I am adding a little bit of ghee to the dough. Just close for 5 minutes and then we can make balls out of it. I'm just adding 2 spoons of jaggery syrup to the wheat dough just to have an extra taste. I'm just keeping 1 cashew and 1 small bit of almonds and just making a ball out of it just to give a crunchy taste. Now the balls are ready to cook. I've just applied a little bit of ghee and then I have made the balls so that you'll get it very smoothly. Now I'm going to steam these balls. Just keep it for 3 to 4 minutes, and if it is not cooked you can keep for 1 more minute. Now I've added milk to the pan. Bring it to boil. Now look, the balls are cooked very well. I have cooked it only for 3 minutes. Now add these balls to the boiling milk. Now stir this slightly and I am going to add jaggery syrup to this. Now close this with a lid and let it thicken. I'll keep this for 5 to 7 minutes so that the consistency will thicken and it will be good. Now look, it has become thick and it looks like a sweet jamun, isn't it? Now I am going to add coconut milk lastly to this. Now I am adding little bit of cardamom powder to this and some cashews and almonds which is fried in the ghee. This is optional. If you need you can fry and add it, otherwise not necessary. Suppose if you need the consistency to be thick, you can grind little bit of cashews and add to that so that it thickens well. That's also is optional. I'm giving you a few benefits of the ingredients which I've used. Wheat, good for bones and brain. Good source of iron, calcium, vitamin B6 and many more. Jaggery, purifies blood, filled with iron, minerals, improves metabolism and provider of instant energy. Cardamom, improves blood circulation, keeps dental problems at bay. Coconut milk, contains antioxidants, keeps hair and skin healthy, prevention of anemia. If you like this video, do like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.